Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the best camera settings for your iPhone in 2024. Whether you're using the latest iPhone 15 Pro or even a slightly older model, the camera on your iPhone is more powerful than ever. And with a few simple tweaks, you can seriously level up your photos and videos. Let's make sure you're getting the best quality possible. Alright, first up, let's set up your camera settings. Go to Settings, scroll down to Camera, and we're going to take a quick look at some key options. Preserve settings. This is a big one if you like specific settings like live photo or aspect ratios to stay the same each time you open up the camera app. Turn on preserve settings for things like camera mode, filter, and live photo. This way you won't need to redo your settings each time. Photographic Styles. Photographic Styles let you personalize the look of your photos. You can choose between standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, or cool. I like rich contrast for a cinematic look, but experiment with what works best for you. Now, let's talk about the actual photo settings to get that sharp professional look. ProRAW mode. If you're on an iPhone Pro model, turn on Apple ProRAW. This setting captures more data in each shot, so you'll have a ton of flexibility for editing. Perfect for low light shots or scenes with a lot of detail. Under Formats, select High Efficiency. This will save photos in HEIF format and videos in HEVC format. They take up less storage, but still retain quality. However, if you need a JPEG for compatibility, switch to most compatible. Lens choice. Use the 0.5 ultra-wide lens for dramatic shots or landscapes, 1x wide for everyday photos and 3x telephoto for portraits or distant subjects. Each lens brings a different vibe to your photos, so experiment with what works best. Let's move on to video. iPhones have really upped the game in video recording, so let's maximize it. Resolution and frame rate. For the best quality, set your camera to 4K at 24 fps for that classic cinematic feel. You can go to 4K at 60 fps if you're shooting fast action or sports. For everyday use 1080p at 30 fps. This will work well and save storage space. HDR video. iPhones can record in Dolby Vision HDR, which creates vibrant colors and stunning contrast. If you plan to edit your videos later, turn this on, but keep in mind not all devices or platforms fully support HDR, so you might want to turn it off for social media. ProRes. ProRes is Apple's high-quality video format. It's ideal for projects where you need more control over editing. Remember, it takes up a lot of space, so use it only if you're serious about video quality. Action mode. This is great for stabilization when shooting on the move. Go into the video mode and switch on action mode to keep your video smooth and shake-free, even if you're running or moving fast. Now that we've covered settings, here are a few quick tips to help you get the most out of your iPhone camera. Grid lines. Turn on grid under the camera settings. This helps you follow the rule of thirds, which is great for composing balanced, visually pleasing shots. Focus and exposure lock. When you're in the camera app, press and hold on your subject until you see AE/AF lock. This locks the focus and exposure, so you won't lose your shot if you move slightly. Use portrait mode for depth. In portrait mode, try tapping f1.4 to f16 at the top to adjust the blur. Lower numbers give more background blur, which is perfect for isolating your subject. And there you have it. These are the best iPhone camera settings for 2024 to get a pro quality look right from your pocket. Let me know in the comments what your favorite tip was or if you have any of your own. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video.